I didn't do this stuff. The only reason why they saw me on camera was because I heard gunshots. But it's all good though. When the DNA results come back, everybody gonna see that I did not commit this crime.
Son, that's not the point. You shouldn't have been out there in the first place. You should have been home studying for your exam instead of chasing some fast-tail heifer.
The only way she's gonna invest is if you give her 30%.
What? 30%? Look, Mr. Snyder, I'll give it 25%. But anything beyond that, I'm just gonna have to cut my losses.
Johnny, she's gonna pull the plug.
Oh well. So let me get this straight, bro. You known this girl 2 weeks? And you already in love with her? Man, come on, man. What have I been telling you and the rest of the homies?
The less attention you give them,
The more they want you. Why haven't you been applying that to your life, huh?
I was full of them. Oh, what we could have been. Oh, what we should have been. Had I got a chance. Oh, what we would have been. Thoughts of us being twain, man. I was full of them. Had I got a chance. Oh, what we could have been. Thoughts of us being twain, man. I was full of them. Had I got a chance. Oh, what we could have been.